The video for the pre-lab part 2 by
Miss Donatelli
and Miss Stiles. For this one, we're going to go through the second part of the lab. You're going to start by taking your scoopula and scooping a small amount of each substance, starting with this one, we're doing salt, onto your whey paper. You will have one group member touch gently to feel whether it is an amorphous or crystalline solid. After you do that, you're going to need to make sure that the beaker you're going to use for the other test is clean. So first, you're going to rinse it with the tap water. Then we're going to rinse it with some distilled water, which is in this special container label. So the way we do this is a process called rolling. So you squirt just a little bit of distilled water in, maybe a little more than that, and then you turn the beaker sideways so that it's touching the whole side and roll it so that you rinse off all the sides of the beaker with the distilled water. Now that the beaker is clean, you can pour your substance into the beaker. We're going to fill the beaker up to 20 milliliters with our distilled water again. And this is going to be when we'll do our solubility test to see if it dissolves. So you're going to need to swirl the substance around for 30 seconds to a minute and then see if it dissolves or not and write that on your data table. Next will be the conductivity test. This is the apparatus we'll use to test if it's conductive or not. So the first thing you need to do is make sure it's turned on, and we're going to test if it works by touching against something metal. So I'm going to use the scoopula. You'll see that the lights turn on, so we know it's working. This is what you would put into the beaker to test it, but I'm not going to do it because I don't want to ruin the surprise for you guys. So after that, you need to make sure that you completely rinse out the beaker for the next substance, starting by dumping it down the sink, rinsing it with the tap water, and then once again rinsing it with the distilled water. I already showed you guys how to do the roll, so I'm going to let you remember for that one.